6,500 hours of content, 47 markets, 21 languages. What does it really take to broadcast the Olympics today? 1. Introduction. Mega-scale Olympic production. Warner Brothers. Discovery is launching a massive production for the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics, aiming to make every moment discoverable across 47 markets and 21 languages on platforms like HBO Max. Their new iBuild platform, owned outright and built with 22 kilometers of cabling in a UK warehouse before installation at Milan's IBC, ingests feeds from Olympic Broadcasting Services, OBS, for tailored TV, streaming, social, and app distribution. This shift from rented systems saves costs and boosts control through Olympics 2032 and events like Roland Garros. Now that we understand WBD's overall ambition and technology backbone, let's zoom in on how this vision comes to life on the ground at their studios. 2. WBD's on-site and distributed studios. WBD deploys 150 staff at the IBC Plus studios, like a cultural snow dome igloo in Livigno for snow sports, and a multi-story complex in Cortina with mountain backdrops for stand-ups, interviews, and partner feeds like CNN. A hybrid model keeps major markets presenting from home bases to minimize weather-related travel risks in spread-out venues. They leverage 107 Olympians with 218 games experience and 41 golds for storytelling under Take Me There and Make Me Care, manually curating highlights for local audiences over AI. While WBD focuses on its own production footprint, the host broadcaster OBS must solve a different challenge: how to serve the entire world without going fully remote. 3. OBS. Hybrid cloud, not full remote. OBS CEO Yiannis Exarchos rules out full remote production due to scale. 6,000 broadcasters on site, producing 6,500 hours, 1,000 competition, 5,000 extras, far beyond typical networks' yearly output. Virtual OB vans, VOB, cut 50% space and power via Cloud COTS, shrinking Milan's IBC 25% versus Beijing 2022 with 33% less energy, while LA 28 targets even greater reductions. Telecom Italia enables do anything from everywhere in mountainous regions, leaving behind improved local connectivity as part of the game's legacy. Building on this hybrid cloud model, OBS is also redefining how audiences actually see and feel the games through new capture and AI tools. 4. OBS tech innovations. Drones, AI tracking. FPV drones offer first-person views in sliding sports, bringing audiences closer to the athlete's perspective, while real-time 360-degree replays with Alibaba enable rich multi-angle slow motion. Curling gains advanced stone tracking to visualize path, speed, spin, and timing, supported by rail and ice-level cameras for clearer storytelling. AI tools such as automatic media description, AMD, automatically segment broadcasts into searchable clips, generate ready-to-publish highlights within minutes, and power real-time search and article summaries on Olympics.com using OBS's curated data lake. These Olympic-specific advances reflect a much larger movement. AI is rapidly reshaping real-time video processing across the entire streaming ecosystem. 5. AI in real-time video. Broader trends. AI now supports real-time video workflows by reducing latency, optimizing encoding, performing scene detection, and generating metadata that feeds personalization engines and near-live highlights. A combined edge and cloud approach allows faster decisions at the source while conserving bandwidth for heavy processing tasks. Key use cases include automatic detection of important moments, dynamic overlays, content moderation, and QoE improvements, reflecting a shift from offline analysis to live stream intelligence. However, even the smartest technology must be backed by solid business models, and that is where advertising-led monetization comes into play. 6. Monetization. Ads in cloud gaming and CTV Xbox. Cloud gaming is experimenting with ad-supported tiers, such as pre-roll ads and time-limited access to offset high compute and bandwidth costs, mirroring the dual subscription plus ads model of video streaming. This approach supports lower-priced tiers for price-sensitive audiences while preserving premium ad-free options, strengthening the economics of Game Pass in the cloud era. On the CTV side, SSAI stitches ads server-side into streams to create seamless playback, bypass ad blockers, and provide accurate viewability measurement, forming the revenue engine for CTV, FAST, and live services. Bringing all these strands together, we can see a clear picture of where large-scale streaming and Olympic broadcasting are heading. 7. Key trends. Summary. Olympics production now combines on-site immersion and distributed workflows with cloud efficiency and AI-assisted tools under firm human editorial control.